We're out here at our big vegetable garden, and we're going to start laying our biodegradable mulch today. I got the mulch layer hooked up to the Ford, and we'll show that in just a minute. I hope it does all right. That's the Ford I'm talking about was in the last video. We're going to put it to the test today. But anyway, I got the John Deere here. I got it warmed up. I'm only going to till about maybe half for now, because I don't know how much mulch plastic we got left on that row. It's probably about a quarter of a row. So I hope to get it all done today without running out, so I don't have to buy any more this year, because it's very expensive. If I can get 10 rows in, I'm just going to quit and call it good. If I get 5 rows in, I'm going to call it good. Well, I have to order some. But anyway, I want to do a little different this year, and I'll talk about that before we get landed plastic. But first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to run this tiller over and get this soil nice where it's ready to go. So let's get that done real quick, and then we'll come back and we'll see if we can get this plastic laid down.
See the difference. And this is perfect soil conditions for this. We had about 1.25 inches of rain probably about 5 days ago. Still got some moisture in it, and you can notice when I was tilling there wasn't no dust flying everywhere. We couldn't have laid this when it was dusty like that. It has to have a little bit of moisture in it for it to pack down good. So I throw forward here. There's a big learning curve on this. If you remember, I don't know, a couple years ago when we had the TYN, we never got it adjusted for this machine here. I should have oiled that. I mean, greased them fittings there, but that's all right. I'll get them in a minute. So I hope I got enough to do it without screwing the first row up. So we're gonna get set up, get her put down here, and see what it does. Hopefully this thing will pull. It should pull it. It lifted it okay, so we'll find out. I'm gonna pull it in second to start with, second gear. Got 2 rows down, and that tractor is doing great. Kind of got it adjusted pretty good. Just pretty much made it level, make the machine level, or the back part level, and then it pulls it fine. I don't see no problem with it, do you? So what we're doing different this year, you can see, I'm doing just a single row space, single row, where in the past I've done double rows in the drive. This time, and this one's a little farther apart. That's we're trying to get this adjusted with the tractor. So this next row I moved over a little closer, so we won't have as much through. And like I said, I want to get 10 rows at least in here, and 12 would be good, but 10 I would like to get. So if I can get, talking about with this, well, I don't know, we might just get 10 rows in total, I don't know. I kind of measured it out, and I figured I can get 12 rows in, but it's a little farther than what I thought. So all right, we're gonna put another row, couple rows in, and put 2 more rows in, and we'll have to do some more tilling. Hopefully I got enough plastic left. Okay, we ran out of that next row we ran out of mulch. Got about 3/4 of the way down. But on the positive side, I know this Ford tractor behind here will do it. It actually did really well, I thought. Here's the little baby right here. Pulled it fine. I just got to get my spacing a little tighter. This one's a little tighter. Next one I'll get a little tighter, so we'll kind of figure that out as we go. But we can start laying. I'll let that heat up a few days, and we'll go ahead and start planting this, what we got, while we're waiting on our new to come in. So anyway, you can kind of see the gist of it, and I won't come back and show you the other part. I'll just show you when it's done, we start planting. And we can throw in and start throwing some cucumbers, some squash, some zucchini, some beans. I got enough here to do all that, I think. And we'll start that in a couple days. Like I said, I need to let it warm up just a little bit. But dirt's perfect condition. Today's actually the perfect condition to be doing this. There's very little wind, the soil's right, and it's not too hot. So, but anyway, we do what we can. I was trying to save a little money. It didn't come out in my favor. But I'll go order it right now when I eat lunch, and we'll have it in a few days. And it's $300 for a row, shipping and everything, and it's 5,000 feet. So I don't know how old this row is. I think this is our 3rd year using it. And one reason I'm going to the spacing is one thing to save a little money. It seems like there's always a couple rows we don't even use. We was double rowing it. So even if we do this first, and we do sequence planting, and then we'll come back after these die, I'll chop these down, and we'll go back in the same holes. I did that a little bit last year, and it worked out fine. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. No, Ford did good. I'm really surprised it didn't even bog down or nothing. And I bet I could have went in 3rd. Now I did it in 2nd gear. I bet if I'd had some more time, I was gonna try it in 3rd and see how it did. But 2nd worked out really good, so we're gonna go with it. All right, appreciate you watching. Give us a thumbs up. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down here at the farm next video.